Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to the Parallax Academy. As you know that we're here with the Maths 100-day challenge, and in this challenge every day we're coming up with one new videos, and these videos will be related to mathematics. And today is the day 5, and this is the day 5 where I'm just writing it here. Okay, day 5, that's Parallax Academia. Now what we have here, in the previous class we have discussed that about the we have discussed about linear equations, and we talked about linear systems in 2 and 3 in 2 unknowns. What will be the linear systems in 2 unknowns? Now today we'll be discussing about the what will be linear systems, so linear systems in 3 unknowns. Okay, now if a linear system is have 3 unknowns, that means it is in 3 dimension, and it's most probably like it will be plane. So if 3 planes are parallel to one another, that is, so this is a plane, this is a plane, this is a plane. Okay, if these 3 planes are parallel to one another, then we can say that there is no solutions. This kind of equations, if there are 3 equations, that is 3 equations. So for example, what a1x plus b1y plus c1g equals to d1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2g equals to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3g equals to d3. So here are 3 equations here. If you look at this equation represent a plane. So in case of these equations, if these 3 planes are parallel to each other, then there will be no solution. So this one has no solution, it do not have any solution. And so then what if the 2 planes are parallel to each other and the one plane intersects them? Then what will be the case? In this case, you can see here that is, this plane and this plane, these 2 are parallel to each other, and the third one has intersected these 2 planes. So what will be the case here? Here there will be no solution. So because there is no common intersection between these 3 planes, okay, there are no solutions. Because why? Because no common intersections, because there are no common intersection. Okay, now what will be the case here? So you can see that this is these 2 this plane and this plane has intersected at this point, but this plane didn't intersect them at and this plane has intersected both of them at the top of that thing. So here you can see there is no common intersections. Common intersection is really important in case of these equations. So we can see that there are no common intersections, so we can say that there are no solutions. As it has no common intersection, so we can say that it has no solution. Again, look at this image, look at this picture, or figure, should I say figure. Look at this figure, what we see here. Okay, here is no solution. All right, no solution. And but if you look at here the 2 planes are parallel to each other. 3 planes are parallel to each other, but one of them are coincident with another one. That means 2 coincident planes parallel to the third plane. Okay, this is a plane, this is a single plane here, but here you can see that 2 planes are coincided with one another. Okay, coincident with one another. You can say that these are the 2 coincident planes. All right, yes, all right. So we can also see that there is no common intersection. As there is no common intersection, there are no common intersections here, so you can say that it has no solutions. All right, now look at this figure. What do you see here? we can see here that the intersection of the planes is a point, isn't it? Here is the point. This is the point where the three planes has intersected with one another. So we can say that as it has been intersected at one point, so it has only one solution. One solution. All right. Okay. It has only one solution. If you look at this figure, here three planes, 1, 2, and 3 has intersected with one another, and this intersection is a line. Intersection is a line. So what is the case here? For this case, for this figure, there will be infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Solutions. Now if you look at this plane, there are three planes here. Okay, each of these plane are coincident. These all planes are coincident, and intersection is a plane, and which results an intersection a plane. Okay, it result a plane. The intersection will be a plane. So what will be the case here? So there will be infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Alright, now let's have a look at this figure. Here you can see that two coincident planes and intersection is a line. Suppose here there are two planes in which are coincident to one another, and another plane is also is perpendicular, or whatever you can say, and they has intersected, and that intersection results a plane. Okay, and that intersection gave a not plane, sorry, that intersection gave a line. Okay, so what is that? So what we can say here, so you can say that it has infinitely many solutions. What is that? Infinitely many solutions. So what can we say actually here? That for in case of the three dimension, or we can say that in case of planes, if the three planes are parallel to one another, there will be no solutions, and if they do not have any common intersection point, they will have no solutions. So the prior condition is they should have a common point, or you can say a common line, or whatever it is, or common plane. So they three should intersect with one another. There's the main thing here. As you can see that in the first case, second case, and third and fourth case, there are no common intersections here. So we can say that there are no solutions, no solutions, no solutions, and no solutions. But here you can see that for the second case, this results only one intersection. The three planes has resulted only one intersection. So there is only one solution, and here the three planes has resulted one line. Okay, intersection, they have intersected, and the intersection is a line. So they can say that it has infinitely many solutions. And in the third case, you can see here, all the three planes here are what? Are coincident. All three planes are coincident, thus their intersection has resulted a plane. We can say that it has also infinitely many solutions. As it has infinitely many solutions, and you can see here for this case, there are the two planes are coincident, and the third plane is perpendicular to them, and this perpendicular the plane has resulted an intersection which is we can say that resulted a line. Okay, as this thing has resulted a line, so we can say that this is a what? This has infinitely many solutions. That's it. Okay, that's it for today. Let's see you in the next video, and make sure to subscribe, and also please share this video. If you really want to see this, something more exciting is coming up. Okay, then bye bye, tata, see ya. Let's share knowledge to change the world.